Is IDM crashing because of the IDM Shell Ext64.dll? I'm Sophie Chen, a senior Windows developer. Let's use these professional steps to fix the runtime error. To kick off the manual repair for IDM Shell Ext64, you can also find an official toolkit designed for system-level synchronization. This is the IDM Shell Ext64, the IDM Shell extension 64-bit. It manages unmanaged right-click context menu entries and facilitates the data link between Windows Explorer and the IDM download engine for automatic file capturing. Understanding the file's role is a great start. Now let's look at replacing it. idmshellext64 is part of the proprietary IDM package. A full, clean reinstall of the latest official version of IDM will repair any missing or damaged components that are causing the launch failure. If the installer was unable to bridge the gap, we will move to phase 2 of our diagnostic to refresh the system's memory. A full system restart ensures that no background processes are currently locking the IDM Shell Ext64 file. A fresh boot allows Windows to reinitialize its library map from a clean state. Take a second to bookmark this page or hit the like button before restarting. That way, you can easily resume this guide once your system has finished rebooting. Since that didn't resolve it, let's pivot to step 3 to address the root cause directly. If you need to pause the video to get your workspace ready, take your time. Rebooting didn't re-establish the interface link, so we'll use a specific command to register the component. First, open command prompt as admin. Second, type regsvr32, followed by your file name causing the error, then hit enter. Why are we doing this? Well, these files rely on a specific pointer in the registry. If the system cannot locate that reference, the file will fail to load even if it is physically present on the drive. Before concluding, I want to address a critical security consideration for maintaining your system's integrity. Installing an unverified version of IDM Shell Ext64.dll is a common security pitfall that can inadvertently bypass your system's built-in execution safeguards and firewall. To support your system's overall health without the complexity of manual directory management, a maintenance utility is a solid option. To review professional system maintenance concepts, the diagnostic kit below includes IDM Shell Ext64 documentation. I'm Sophie Chen. We are dedicated to providing clear, safe paths to PC repair, including IDM Shell Ext64 dependencies. Subscribe to support our technical mission.